My brother.
Hi, how are you? All right, nice to see you. Tanisha, I don't appreciate you walking without me. I want to say every question you have to ask and every answer you give. That's what I'm trying to look like. Okay.
Thank you guys for your continued support on these videos. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, I think somebody working on it for me.
What a video.
Very nice.
You see a wider video?
On the two boards out there, I have a fruit. A fruit. How is it?
Bio-Fertilizer.
Thank you. Fruit bio-fertilizer. And then we have the fish amino acid.
Cool.
Now when we started, when Brent introduced himself to us, I said we're going to go into that bio-fertilizer business. We started with those 2 buckets. Now the reason why we have this vent there, that's for the thing to breathe. When you come there, you're not going to take any smell. If you're in a snake area, it's problem. You know, because the smell will go out and attracted by the snakes. Now what we do with this bucket, we went to the fisheries in Beaufort, collect all the parts of the fish, the waste, and now people eating fish guts. So the waste, all the waste they don't consume, they give it to us. I took a bucket and we did a trial here. And it worked wonders. And from this bucket, we're doing barrels now. You understand me? Well, we started with the bucket. Then here, Mr. Brent came with an idea. So many fruits wasting on the farm. Mangoes, golden apple, mangoes, golden apple, nib fruits. And he said that to us, to the group, that we can turn this into a very good product, which is a fruit bio-fertilizer. So we collected mangoes, mango graham, golden apple, and we did that process, that fermentation process, and it worked very well.
And how long does it take the fermentation?
Well, it takes about a month or 3 months to really decompose. But the longer it stays, the better for you. Yes.
So you said you collect fruits
Yes.
and you have it to like compost and it turns into fertilizer.
Into fertilizer, I add in other things to it.
So you, the compost tea. So
Now the compost is another scenario. This is a fruit amino acid concentrate.
So you said you add other things. What are the other things?
Well, other things we add to it like yeast
Microbes.
So we're fermenting.
to the ferments, yes. Okay? And with the, like you said, with the compost tea, is other additives added to it, like molasses, and I'm going to explain that in a little bit.
Okay.
You understand me? So right now we produce that, and then Mr. Ben told us, we bottle, we give trials out to farmers, and it works wonders. You have to, it's 1 to 2 tablespoons in a gallon of water, dilution. And you apply it on your fruits. Now we're going to go into compost making also. The group Brent asked us to go into compost making. Now the amount of biomass, if you realize we have here, check at your back. And then we can turn this waste into a very good product, which is compost making. Okay?
Yes.
So right now, for your compost making, if you're going to go into compost making, you need predators that can help you in decomposition. As students, what predators you think we can use in compost making to decompose quickly? Earthworm, thank you very much. So what we had to do here, I had to go all around the estate and set traps. You see? Take a medium with manure and put holes in all in the tins and bury it down about 1 foot down, and then the manure in there attracts the earthworm. Okay, so we set traps all over, and then we get those earthworm and we add it into our compost making for quick decomposition. And the last time Brent came in, he took his shovel and shoved into the compost making. He told me, Gato, you can sell earthworm. You can start selling earthworm. So it helps a lot. Then I'm going to show you the compost as far as it has got as decomposed, and then we can easily start using it. But we have to go into volume because the group, we're trying to empower the youth in the community to go into these things because we have talented youth in the community. And those talents are going to waste, and we do not want those things to waste. Sometimes academically you're not doing well at the school, but practically you could come out there and learn some good stuff. Don't feel left out, you know. You know, in the books you're not there, but there's things you could come out there and learn, and then you could be a billionaire. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So right now we have bottled this and we have bottled this.
What's the name of your product?
My name of my product is you're going to see the product.
Okay.
You're going to see. How much is a bottle? We're going to come to that in a while. You know, we're going to come when we reach under the shed. You're going to keep your question. So when you reach there, you're going to ask questions. So if you realize the number of the amount of biomass we have there, we can collect them and turn this into compost making. And right now, if you follow me, I'm going to show you where we're doing the compost, and then we're going to go into detail into the Bio-Fertilizer.
Now for the students, for our students, for their sake. For their sake.